Hi, my name is Alex, and today I'm gonna talk about Dev Garden's website. This website is for people who want to chat with the gardener, check out active forum, or check out the description of plants, birds, etc. So if you check out here in the navigation menu in the top of the screen in the middle, you have guide and information, community, garden showcase, and product answers. So first of all, let's go check out guides and information. So in guide information, you have a lot of information about plants, birds, bugs, article, etc. So if you want to check out plants, you go in the database plants file, and you can check out your plants you want. So if you want to check iris, you click on it. You have a definition of it, and you have a lot of different iris. You got the type of the iris, the height, condition, where it grows, etc., in the sun or not, and you can buy it from 6 vendors, and you can trade it from 66 traders. So if you want to check some information about birds or bugs, simply click on it, and you have the definition of the bug. So if you want to read some article about garden, bugs, birds, etc., plants and trees, you go in in the menu and you click articles, and you have an article on grapefruit, better dog, attracting wildlife, etc. So if you go in the botany dictionary, this botany in the menu, and click on botany, you have a botanical dictionary. This botanical dictionary is here to help you to try to find some definition of a word you don't really understand. In the gardenology, it's the same principle, but with concept and terms. So if you don't know some concept and terms, you can go in gardenology. And so if you want to know more about insects, you go in Insectipedia, and you have a reference guide and a reference containing an encyclopedia for botanical words for insects and bugs. So you go there and you have a lot of things to read from. After that, you can go in the video and you can check out some video you like or not. You can scroll down and you have a lot of videos. After that, you can go in freeze frost dates. So you type your city and you have the potential freeze frost date of the ground. So Montreal, and you check it out. New York City, the Marmora, and you have all the frost freeze date right here. After that, if you want to participate in the community, you go and click out in communities, and you have discussion forums, plant and seeds trading, member list, the gardening blog, etc. The tag page, and you can go check it out. But if you want to showcase your garden, you check out some garden, you go in Garden Showcase. In this section, you have a lot of pictures of the different garden people made, and you can make your own garden show. So go explore gardens from around the world. And if you want to know more about product answers, you click on product answers, and you got the best place on the web to find some information about the product and sources. So that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.